myself on the grip tape.
I don't think I'm...
Oh my god, this road is so bumpy.
Pointing over there.
Why?
So the camera was pointing.
Am I going on here?
No, I said the camera was pointing over there.
I want to see if it's easier. I can't even skateboard. Do you know how unbalanced I am?
Oh, no, you're going to get effed up.
Oh no! This road is really bumpy.
Look, I did a park slide.
I'm scared of it. You want where to go? Where? Which way are you going? Look at that.
Okay.
Oh, you start from the back? Fuck, yeah. You can't even like move on it.
I don't know, but I'm trying to go away. This is my skateboarding school.
Whoa.
Wait, no, wait, sorry.
Is it an ollie?
I'm
You can't even ride the thing.
can't even do a pop shove.
Can you actually like ride it?
If I was on a nice road, yes.
Probably if I was on the street.
Let's try an ollie. Did I do it? I think
I think it might have went off the ground.
Yeah, maybe.
Centimeter.
Hey, Butterscotch, you want to come skateboard with me?
That was a badass trick, Paige. She's better than you, dude. Shit. I'm gonna come back. Like this. Then, both at the same time.
I know an ollie!
Yeah. And then just
do it.
flick off. Or just, what does she want to do? I don't know.
What are you trying to tell me?
You need to know what you're trying to do before you
My helmet's in the
I think he's
house.
trying to do a kickflip. But I can't get near.
keep moving.
No, it's gotta be in the
I
air.
know Kyle will come walk up this way.
That's what it was. So that is...
Oh my god, it was a cool thing. Back when I thought it was cool on a skateboard, I could stand on like the trucks here. I could just fall back. Or I could start like that and pop up onto them. So cool, but I can't. I skateboard.
In my grass, I used to do this thing where I was kind of like, ooh, you stand on it and just kind of like walk, like,
Yeah.
and I used to do that when it was like that too.
Yeah. Oh my god, don't die.
Woo! That was an adventure!
If you died, I'd cry.
Oh my god, I would have face planted in the ground if you weren't there. Holy shit, man. Gotta do some off-camera reporting right now.
I feel like I'm seizuring.
I know! I'm gonna go blow my nose.
Oh my god, I thought that was like a badger. My cat. Where you going, Dad? My camera's on your bumper. What? Don't laugh at me, yo. Where you hung a Butterfinger, yo? Wait, how do you hold the star? Yeah.
You're gonna get run over.
Yeah.
You're gonna get fucked up. He's bashing his car.
Yeah, I see him. I thought he was a badger or something. Scared me. Person resurrecting from the grave. Yes, I know. I see him. Hi. Want to bring me back a beverage? Wanda?
Anna?
I
I kind of want to.
Let's do something.
We should. I need to call my mommy.
Okay, let's call her.
Make sure that, because she said something about picking me up at 10.